Hey everybody, if you've gotten this far, you've completed Module 1 and the quiz, you've installed Python, and you've worked with idle a little bit. Here I'm going to show you how to use PyCharm, which is an IDE for Python. It's fairly simple. I just like using it better than the native idle. So jump in here. This link right here is just going to open up and it should start downloading immediately. Just save the file. As soon as it's done, you can just run it. This is the first time I've seen this, but if you get this, just click cancel, and this should pop up. You want to choose where you're going to install the program. Now it's going to be different for everybody. I have all of my programs on a separate drive, so you're going to have to figure out where you want your program to be, and remember this location. Next, I have a 64-bit system. I want a shortcut on my desktop, so I'm going to hit here. I'm also going to associate this program with all the .py or Python scripts that I create. I'm also going to add add a launchers directory to the path. This will require a restart. Start menu folder, and then go. So if you've gotten here, I sped the video up because it may take some time depending on your computer. Right now I'm just going to manually reboot later so we can get through and into the program. Alright, so when you're done installing PyCharm, you should have an icon, looks just like this on your desktop. Just double click it, and it should open up. Super simple. Yours will probably look different because I've already had PyCharm installed. I just uninstalled it and reinstalled it so I could show you how it goes. There may be some extra clicks or paths you have to do. There may be some updates. But if you have any trouble, just shoot me an email. The Hello World assignment is just go to File and go to a new Scratch file. What we're looking for is this Python. Now yours may be in alphabetical order, so it'll be down here somewhere. But mine's up here. New Python file, just a blank file. And print Hello World just like you did in the module. Super simple. Now what you want to do is right click. For the first time you run a program, I don't know why it acts funny. Right click, go to run Scratch 6. Here you see your console pops up. You've got the path to your Scratch file, and that will change when you save the file, and your output. I think this is much easier than using idle. I prefer it because you can just come up here, make this whatever I want. Don't have to rewrite everything, just what you want to change. Now after right clicking the first time, you can just click this button. It'll run again. You see your output changes. Super simple to edit any Python file or Python code, and it just changes what you want. You don't have to rewrite everything all over again. When you have your program the way you want it, for the assignment, all I need you to do is take a screenshot of this. Show me that it says Hello World up here. Show me that you've run it by showing me the screenshot where it says Hello World down here. And that'll suffice for this assignment. In the future, I'm going to want you to upload a Python file or .py file. To do that, go up here to File, Save As, name it appropriately. Usually I will ask you to name it with your last name and the title of the assignment. And you'll see that in each of the future assignments. For now, we can just call this one Hello World. Notice where that's going to be saved. Choose whichever path where you want to store your Python files. And click OK. I've already done this, so it's telling me to overwrite. I'll just overwrite it. and that way I can show you when you navigate to where the file was saved, you will see this hello world.py. Now that's the file. You can open this straight up and it'll open just like this. You'll get the code and everything, and you can just go back to work. This .py file is what I'm going to ask you to upload in Moodle. So if you have any questions, just send me an email and I'll certainly help you out. Thanks.